What is the Quran? It's the holy book of Islam, like a special guidebook from God for Muslims. They believe it has all of God's words. It's like a map for life, showing them the right way to live and be wise. The Quran is super important to Muslims in everything they do. It tells them how to pray, what to believe, and how to be good. Muslims believe God talked to a special person named Prophet Muhammad and gave him the Quran. This happened over 23 years. An angel named Gabriel brought God's words to Muhammad, and those words became the Quran. But it's not just any book, it's super special. Muslims believe every word is from God. They read it when they pray, study it to understand God, and try their best to follow what it says. The Quran came to be in Arabia around the 7th century. It was a time when things were changing a lot, like when a place is not calm. There were fights between tribes and people were not getting along. They needed someone to guide them and tell them what was right. Now, Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. He was known for being a good and honest man. When he turned 40, he started receiving messages from God. These messages continued for 23 years and are all collected in the Quran. The Quran's message was different from what people were used to. It said there's only one God, Allah. It also said to be fair to everyone, be kind and treat everyone equally. A lot of people really liked this message, and that's how Islam started spreading quickly. The Quran is divided into 114 chapters called surahs. Each surah has a special name and talks about a specific topic. These surahs are not in order of when they were revealed. They're arranged by their length, with the longest ones at the beginning. The Quran was revealed in the Arabic language. It's known for being beautiful and powerful, like a beautiful song. When Muslims read the Quran, it sounds like a beautiful melody. The Quran is considered the best example of Arabic writing. It has many different styles of writing, like stories, lessons, rules, and advice. All these different styles make its message even more interesting and important. The Quran is like a guidebook for every part of a Muslim's life. It tells them how to pray, fast, give to the poor, and go on a pilgrimage. It teaches them about family, community, and helping others. The Quran says it's very important to learn, be honest, and help people in need. The Quran's message is always true and important for everyone, no matter where they come from. It talks about big questions like why we are here, what is the purpose of life, and who is God. It teaches people to live in peace, be fair, and be kind. The Quran wants people to think about what they read, ask questions, and try to understand. It says life should have meaning and purpose. The Quran's message continues to inspire and guide millions of people all over the world.